Hey, good May Squad, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you in wonderful, great, excellent spirits. So guys, lots been going on in the world. I know it's weighed heavily on us mentally and emotionally. Trying to find, kind of like the motivation to record. I was feeling a little bit guilty, like, should I be recording content and posting it, during this time, and thought about it for a few days, and I decided to go ahead and post content because sometimes you need a break from it. Like, I was, constantly on social media, reading about what was going on, posting about what was going on, also, replying to people's comments, people, the All Lives Matter people, the people who were boycotting LeBron. You gotta take a break from that. The defending and getting support and different stuff like that just takes a toll on you, especially like your spirit. Just like, I know a lot of us, our spirits are just really heavy right now. So I decided to record because you need a break from that. It's okay to find a little piece of happiness, a little bit of peace during this, during the civil rights movement and all the other things that took place to get us our freedom and our rights. I know they weren't constantly battling. I know they took little breaks here and there, maybe by having little get-togethers, family dinners, singing, just kind of enjoying the little moments and, basically recharging themselves. You have to recharge yourself. And this is with anything in life. If you just keep going hard at something, eventually your body and your mind and your spirit, they're just going to shut down. They're going to shut down on you at the wrong opportunity. So by being proactive and knowing yourself, knowing your body, and just saying, hey, you know what? I need to take a step back mentally. There is nothing wrong with that, and you should do that. Take a break, recharge, go back at it. All right, guys, now I'm ready to get into why we're here. So this should be a quick video. You know me though. I am doing an update request by you guys on these nails here. Again, these were by kbdnails, a black woman, owned business, and I've had these for 2 weeks exactly. So I wanted to give you guys an update because I'm ready to switch them out. Not that there's anything wrong with them. I'm just, even when I would get my nails done at the salon, I was ready to switch out after 2 or 3 weeks. I just love playing with color and design. So I was always ready to get rid of whatever I had going on. So these held up pretty nicely. Like, I don't have any bends or cracks or anything crazy going on with the nails. They held up really well. Before I went to work, I didn't have any issues like with the nails per se, but a few times while I was at work, like using the machine and picking up stuff, I would go in it at the wrong angle. So I did have a few kind of lift up, not pop off all the way, but they did lift up. Right here, this is my lazy way of putting glue back in there instead of removing the whole nail. I was kind of lifting, try to squeeze some glue in there, so that's why it's white right here, if you see that. So they're not very pretty around the cuticle area, but that's because of me being lazy. But like this one never came off, so see, it's just grown out like, when you get your acrylics done. I'm just thinking that this might be what I'm going to do going forward. It saves a lot of money. Even if you get more into detail, like if you get, more stones and get more creative with the nail techs that you use, it's still not going to cost you like $130 like it would at the nail salon. Because, they charge like $15 per nail design. So I think I'm gonna go this route for right now. Like, the reason why I didn't like the kiss nails is because they bend so easily. Like, if you just accidentally, knock your nail on something or what may have you, they bend or they pop off really easily. So anyway, these are thicker, they're tougher, and yeah, I got a lot of compliments on my nails. No one thought the riser that they weren't either my nails or acrylic nails. So all right, guys, I just wanted to give you a little update. I am about to soak these off and put on a new set of nails. I didn't get another pair of nails from this particular company. At the time when I placed this order, I placed another order with a different company, and I thought they were going to come in at the same time, but that company took a little longer to get in. So I'm going to try the nails from that company, and then I ordered some other ones. So I just like to have variety. It's kind of like when you try out you know, your makeup, you know, you have a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes, not saying one is better than the other. It's just, you know, the preferences, not the preferences, just, you know, giving yourself variety. So I want to try another nail company, see how those do, and I will be ordering another pair from kbdnails after I get through these other two sets. Oh, I ordered another one. So after I get through 4 sets of nails, I'll place another order to kbdnails. I'm not sure if I'll record a video on all of them. I might do that just to give you kind of show and tell. But if not, you guys definitely follow me on IG, and I will be posting, you know, any sets of nails on there. And yeah, guys, that's it. Like I said, quick tutorial or a quick update. In case you have any other questions, just like you've done before, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, I'm glad I took a chance and that my first set of nails went really well. I was really nervous, but I was just pleasantly surprised. And yes, prepping your nails, I mean, it's everything to making these last, as far as not popping off. But as far as like the durability of these nails, like, you hear that? Sorry, it's shaking, but like these are solid. These are really thick. So yeah, I'm with these. Yeah, they're a little pricier than the Kiss nails, but I'd rather pay more for durability, you know, than having to worry about having bent nails at work and stuff like that. Plus, I like being able to customize the sizing so they fit, because my nails don't fit to the average set that comes in there. That comes in the nails, and I don't want to have to shape them every time. So all right, guys, that's enough. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for sticking with the channel and for subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.